Hey everyone, Jacob Garland here, Chief Technology Officer at Pointivo. We're in the middle of a brand new series about how Pointivo is revolutionizing the telecom industry. And today we're going to be talking specifically about virtual inspections of communication towers. Now, we can't talk about virtual inspection without, of course, mentioning Pointivo's patented SmartNav technology. We talked about this several weeks ago, but for those that may have missed that episode, SmartNav is a browser-based visualization engine that allows for 360-degree virtual inspection of large physical assets, like a cell tower. It does this by synthesizing two-dimensional and three-dimensional data. What that means is you get the visual quality of high-resolution imagery with the intuitiveness of three-dimensional navigation. The SmartNav engine makes visual inspection fast and easy. In real time, it's intelligently choosing the best image for the user's current viewing direction, the angle, the distance from the digital twin, and then it's visualizing that best image in a seamless environment. So from a web browser, you can instantly teleport to a tower, you can fly around it, you can take measurements of any structural element or the compound from any angle. This means hours saved for your team. Less tower climbs, more decision-making intel. If there's a question about, say, the type of a bracket used on an antenna, well, you can easily rotate around to the back of that antenna to get a better view. Or let's say you wanted to trace the jumpers or lines going to an antenna. You can easily make out color markings on the high-resolution imagery. Or maybe you wanted to look at the bolt pattern of two joined connections on a mount system. Pointivo's automated tower inspection workflow can also provide reports that assess the physical and visual condition of a tower. We can automatically generate inventory reports of equipment and appurtenances. We can generate reports that itemize the location and severity of deficiencies like rust or galvanization, loose or bent members, abandoned equipment, safety climb issues. The list goes on and on. Over the next few weeks, we're going to continue to explore some other unique challenges in the telecom industry and talk about how Pointivo is addressing those challenges with powerful tools and AI-driven automation. So until next time, for Pointivo, I'm Jacob Garland. Onward and upward. Hope you have an amazing day.